There's a reason why we do so many kink educational streams around here. You know, I love learning about different kinks. And, you know, part of it is we're degens, and part of it is, you know, we like doing some good research.
Yeah, I learned about a new one. Well, probably not new to other people, but a new one for me, like, today.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's sneezing.
No way. Well, okay, no, I was about to say no way, but, like, I kind of already knew that was a thing. It's just that it's like very niche. It's very niche.
I'm like, no, because someone clipped my sneeze one time, and I'm like, eyeballs? Why'd you do that? Eyeballs? And they're like, I'm like, huh? Okay.